So that's switched off and apply power. There we go. No bangs yet. Super. Switch the unit back on again, and it's going through its countdown even though you can't see the display. Hopefully the light will come on any second and everything will run cool. There we go. So that's just been left now for several hours. It's not a majorly heavy load, but it's proving the point that it works, and it's quite happy, and no faults are showing. So that's great.